Let's take an ice bath at 7 weeks postpartum. Elena is joining today.
We didn't plug it in last night, so I'm not gonna have to bust this ice. We're just gonna get in.
Bless you. Are you ready, Elena? Welcome to the first ice bath, honey. Here we go. You're so nice, Hermione. Hermione's pushing Damon in the swing. Micah's not here right now, but I am surrounded by moral support. My children are the best. For those that were saying having an ostomy is probably the end of the world for me, it's not. It's on this side and you can barely see it. So if it's looks you're worried about, you don't have to be. Elena is enjoying the sunshine. We're both getting our vitamin D. Hi, honey. Now, Elena, are you going to join me one day? Oop, careful, don't bump him into the tree. See the motorcycle, Damon? Hi, Elena. Hi, Micah. Some people were saying that taking an ice bath would dry up my milk supply so far. We're not having issues with that. But I've got a lot of people saying random things about taking ice baths and how it's bad for me. I've only experienced good things.